National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern McLean County in central Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 9:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Downs, or 7 miles south of Bloomington, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Downs around 9:05 p.m. Saybrook around 9:20 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 152 and 158. Interstate 74 between mile markers 132 and 155. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.